Hello, come back again with me in this video. So in this video I'd like to give my opinion and my answer to what the question and the video that I've already watched before. So before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Erick Tjandra and I'm from International Management Class 2018 and my student ID number is B1024181029. My lecturer name is Mr. Mursalin, who teaches us the HRM subject. And I would like to say thank you to him because he has already given us the video and the several questions. So it is our opportunity to express about our opinion and the answer to this video. Okay, so I'd like to move the question first. So the first question was the title of this video. The title is "The Future of HR is Digital. Are you ready?" The second is, what does the title matter to you? Actually, this title matters to me because we are living in the modern era of the HR with digital, which means every data will be accessed in the digital way. And then the next question, how is the title of this video important to your life? Actually, this video is important to my life because it gives about the information of the future about the HR subject. So I think it is really important because we are in the modern area. Now, which means most of the things will generated by the machine, all the data. So that's why the HR must have a good ability to predict by using a data that have been accessed by the machine. So that's why this information really important into my life. And then the next is, who is the speaker in this video and what does the speaker talk about? So in this video, actually, the speaker is AIHR academic to innovate human resource. It says that most of us are using 2.5 quadrillion bytes of data each day. 78% companies believe that a big data is likely of a fundamental change in their operation over the next 3 years. And then in the modern HR system, rely on more than ever on automation, analyticals, and predictable capabilities. And they're also using a workforce data in order to make a decision. And they believe that most of the company like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and else using this workforce data in order to make a decision. So what the HR must be ready in the future, as we know that all of the data will be generated by the machine. So it means that the HR must have good skills like analytical data, automation, and predictive capabilities by using a workforce data. So it is really needed for the HR in the future because they want to make a decision based on the data. Besides that, the speaker says that most of the HR who works in the company don't have this skill. So it will make a bad situation for the company and it will make they are not ready about the future of the modern era. And then the next is explain in detail what is explained in this video. Actually, this video tells about how the HR must be compatible about the modern era. It means they have a lot of skill like a predictable, and then they have a good analytical data like a statistical data and else, and using a comparative data or workforce data in order to make their decision. And it is really important to them to do that. So that's why the HRs are really important to them to learn or being a data driven in order to have this skill, because this skill is really needed in the future. And then the next is, what can you learn from this video? What I can learn from this video is about the information that I can get. First, that is about the information of the HR skills in the future that will be needed in the future as well. So it means that the HR in the future have a good analytical data in order to make a decision. So that is the good information to me if I were work in the HR departments in the future, and then I need to deal with the machine that produce a data and I have a good analytical data. So that's why in the future I need to upgrade my skill, for example like the analytical skill. And then the last is, what do you think about the speaker presentation? I think about the speaker presentation is really good. Yeah, because I can know well, I can really understand about what they are saying, and then they also provide some subtitles, so I can really easily to understand about what they are saying and what they are explaining. So I think that it's about my opinion and my answer. Then I'll also thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.